Bonjour tout le monde. C'est moi, Madame. Today we're going to have a refresher course on how to pronounce the French numbers from 0 to 30. Let's start with 0 to 10 first. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Before we move on to the next slide, let's notice a few things about our numbers. 0 and 6 look like pretty close to what we think they should be. The number 1, remember, is un because it also doubles as a or an, and it means one of something. Deux has the same roots as words like double or duo. Trois has a tr in the beginning. Any number with a 3 in it will have this tr, like triple, tripod, triangle, or tricycle. QUA in a word indicates 4, such as quadruplet, quadrilateral, or square. Cinq indicates 5. 7 is from the Latin septum. Neuf and 9, hopefully you remember, have the same number of letters, and the EU in those sounds indicates that they will be sounding alike. Deux, neuf. The spelling of 6 and 10 will indicate that they will sound alike. Six, 10. Let's go on to our next set. Now we're going to be counting in the teens up to 20. I've highlighted in blue the additions that we are making to show that we are in the teens. Just like in English, when we say 11, 12, special numbers for that, and then say 13 all the way to 19, that word teen indicates that we are in the tens place. There's a number, a 1, in the tens place. So these are some special things that we do to indicate that those numbers are going to be different. So just to make sure we can contrast between the two different sounds, let's compare and contrast each number from its 1 place to its 10 place. Comparer et contraster. Compare and contrast. 1, 11. 2, 12. 3, 13. 4, 14. 5, 15. 6, 16. 7, 17. 8, 18. 9, 19. And then we get to 20. 20, which will start a whole new series of numbers that begin with 20. Before we move to the next slide, let's count from 0 to 19. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. And now for 20, 20. Here's all of our numbers up to 30. Now in the 20s, you can see where the 2 is in the tens place. Now all of our numbers will have the word 20 in it to show that we're in the 20s. Let's start with 20 and work our way up to 29. 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 120, 121, 122, 123, 124, 125, 126, 127, 128, 129, 130, 131, 132, 133, 134, 135, 136, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30 will be 30. In our next video, we'll see how all of the numbers in the 30s have the word 30 in them, and we'll be able to count even higher than that. But for now, 0 through 30 is enough numbers to practice. Let's do a little bit of counting now. Instead of counting every number, let's try a different way. Nous allons compter de 0 à 30 par 5. We are going to count from 0 to 30 by fives. 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Très bien.